Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this very sparkly, very beautiful earrings with Swarovski crystals. Let's get started. For our work I need all those materials. FireLine 2LB, crystal clear, very thin but very strong. Also needle number 10 for this FireLine. Swarovski beads number 4 millimeters. This one, AB color. Swarovski Elements, this purple one with a hole on the side, and this crystal. Here earring hooks, I will use golden color, and I will use seed beads from Czech Republic, crystal clear AB color. Now guys, we're going to do shorter earring. So for this, we'll start to do the same one seed bead, one biconi, seed, bead, crystal, one seed bead, one biconi bead, one seed bead, and one more crystal. Here I need to make it in a circle the same way like we did the first earring. Then I need to hide it. If it's too long, you can just pull a little bit, and rest you can cut with scissors. This way, here. So I have a circle. Now I need to add one seed bead, one pecony bead, one seed bead, and I'm placing on the earring hook. But first I need to close the loop. Loop is closed, you don't need to lose anything. Then I'm placing earring hook, then again seed bead, pecony bead, and seed bead. And I'm going through the crystal again. Here. I need to do one more circle. Go around. Through seed bead, through crystal, and going again through seed bead, through crystal, pecony bead, through crystal. So going down this way. Here. Now I need to put seed bead, pecony bead, seed bead, purple bead, seed bead, pecony bead, and again seed bead, and go through crystal. Going around. This. Going again through crystal. And we can do already knot. And we're going to hide the FireLine here. Cutting the rest FireLine and give it a shape. Just shake a little bit. Don't shake too much. Sometimes crystals are pretty sharp and they can damage FireLine also. Alright guys, our earrings are ready. That is the middle size. 1, 2, 3 loops. They're very sparkly, very beautiful. Also, if you prefer to wear a little bit longer, those are perfect for you. I like longer style of earrings. Also, I did shorter, only 2 loops. Also very sparkly, very pretty. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press notification bell for the next videos, and see you next time. Bye bye guys!